of them all. Act, cack, boom. Cack, boom, you walk into the room. Cack. Pick it back up, then you fall on your back. Act to the cack, boom. Sugar, cack. Wow, boom, sugar, make sure you don't stop. Bring it back up and then left drop. Purse first. Walk to the room, purse first.
Hi guys, so today I am doing a DIY masks for people with sensitive and acne prone skin. Now this is really important to me because I am allergic to like store-bought face masks. I rash out, you guys have seen before, I get terribly rashy. So I am going to show you how I'm even allergic to makeup as well now. I get really rashy and itchy from it, and it's just not worth it. So what I am going to show you is some DIY masks. You can do sheet masks. I've got a whole variety of things that will help you if you feel like you need to do a mask for extra cleansing, or you want the relaxing time, which I feel like I missed when I got allergic to masks. I was very upset about it. I wanted to find a way of how I could do it without irritating my skin. These are very gentle and very helping on the skin. They're not harsh, they're not pulling, they are really great. So I'm going to start off with some tips. Now I do have them on my phone, and I'm going to look at my notes basically that I've wrote about them because I can't remember, I'm not going to lie. The best mask that I ever found out about was the oatmeal mask. Oh my goodness, you need to try this if you have sensitive skin. It is actually made for sensitive skin. People use it for sensitive skin. You can add milk to it as well to make it even more calming. It is oat water. Well, oats, you add water to it to make oat water, and you put it on your face. It is the gentlest scrub ever, but it leaves your skin feeling baby bottom smooth, and I have never had a breakout from this ever. So I get the oats and I blend it up, and that is your mask. It's dried. You just, when you want to use it, you get a bit, you put the warm water on it, put it on your face. I use this every day for a week, and it never broke me out. Twice in the morning and in the evening. Never broke me out once, and I use it to this day, and I love it. And you can also use it as a face wash, and you don't actually have to use it as a mask and leave it on, which is also a great option as well if you do, you know, have really sensitive skin. This is the best one that I can honestly, you need to stop, go try it now. Like, you need to. It's the best one I have ever found, like, ever. I'm allergic to most masks. I'm not allergic to mint masks, and that is very weird because most people actually are allergic to mint masks. The thing that helped me the most was I put my cream that my doctor gave me. This is that I have been sent from the doctor. This is Epiderm ointment. Now I put it where I'm just about to put the mask, and it doesn't break me out because I think this is a thick layer, but the mask also doesn't do too much because again it's got a barrier. This is a really good option if you have a little spot and you want to do one of them overnight ones. I do this, and it does shrink it, but it doesn't dry it out and make it rashy. So I just thought I'd give you that option to try it and put a thick layer of cream or Vaseline underneath it, and then try it, because the mask might be a bit too harsh for you, where this is blocking it, the harshness, but it's still getting something out of your skin. The other one is an Epiderma cream ointment. I would really recommend this if you have dry skin. It is literally a thick textured Vaseline like cream ointment. It's an ointment, so it's very thick. I have done a whole video on how I use this. You can use it as a face wash. You can use it in the bath as well. It is made for eczema. I would really recommend this, and you can use it as a mask too. You can do a thick layer on and then wash it off in an hour or so, which is, it's just great to have these around the house. They really are like a lifesaver. Next one, what I like to do to add this, I've done this a couple of times and I really enjoyed it. I love doing my green tea face mask. Now, sometimes that actually does get a bit drying for me. I put this on and mix it on here with a bit of green tea, put it on my face, and it really helped me to not feel dry, but it also really got out the impurities. Now, green tea is amazing for getting out impurities. That is my go-to mask after the oatmeal one now because it does get a bit dry sometimes. But after the oatmeal, that is my second go-to mask. The oatmeal one is not great for spots. If you've got spots, you need to try the green tea, and if you've got spots and sensitive skin, you need to try this in the green tea because it sucks it out. And it's without being too harsh. You can only leave green tea on for 20 minutes, no more than. But with this, you can definitely leave it on for 40 minutes without it getting dry or tight. And it's just such a nice mask. Sensitive skin, I would recommend try doing like a chamomile or a lavender tea leaves with it. I just drink the lavender or the chamomile and mix it up, and that's the actual one that I used in this video was lavender, no chamomile. Lavender works amazing on the skin as well. Would highly recommend you getting lavender tea just for the skin. If you have sensitive skin, you need that in your life as well. If you mix it with these two, they're going to be your best friend. For a scrub, I am not sensitive to scrub at all. So weird. I have the Peel Pad wine scrubs, I have tea tree scrubs, I have the peeling scrubs. I'm not allergic to them. I don't break out. It's weird. I don't know. I'm just literally allergic to masks and makeup, which is probably some girls like hatred, but I am freaking loving not wearing makeup. I fucking love it. I can wear like under eye and eye makeup and lips, but like nothing around here, and I can't wear anything up here. I just do me a strong, if I want to like look decent, I do me a strong eyebrow, nice eyes and a strong lip, and by the time people look at that, they don't really notice that you're not wearing anything else. So that's a tip for you. But at first I was like really crying about it. I just want to take out the time to talk about this because like it was quite a hard time for me. I was really crying about it. I was like, my career is over because my whole Instagram is on makeup. I can't wear makeup. Like telling a girl that you can't wear makeup it's just devastating to any girl, like even if they don't wear it every day. It's terrible. I fucking love it. I love not wearing makeup. I hate the feeling of it. I can wear it a bit, but I can't wear it for too long of hours. I can't wear it for like 8 hours, you know, the normal day. When I do wear it, I hate it. I actually hate it. I don't like anything feeling weird here or here. I don't like the fact that you can't touch your face or anything like that. And now I actually choose not to wear makeup, and my skin has been really clearing up. You should have seen me one day. I was like actually like with my friend on the bathroom floor in the college crying because I was wearing makeup. It was an allergic reaction. I couldn't take it off at college because I looked so fucking bad. I had an allergic reaction. I was in pain. The makeup, I literally could go like this. You know the peel off makeup? It literally looked like that. It was terrible. And then I was like, this girl, she came in as well, and I was really shocked that she helped me actually because she looked like the person that would not ever help me. I have noticed since that day I had that mini breakdown. A lot of girls at my college and in my class and in the other class, like, okay, I wouldn't say at my college because like I already know my class and the other class. My class definitely has stopped wearing makeup a lot more. And I don't know, it's just great. We were like all in it together. Anyway, I love it now, and I actually prefer not to wear it. And yeah, if I want to look fierce, I'll just do a brow and an eye and a lip, and that's it really. Maybe some cheek highlight if I wanted to, but it's not worth it. If the point in that is if your skin is hurting you or the makeup is not reacting well, you need to choose your skin over the makeup, because what's the point? Like, this is why I love Korean face care so much. What is the point in covering up your problems when you can eliminate them by taking time from not covering them up? What is the point in it? If you have got acne, even try it on the half term. I said to a girl in my class, she like talks to me about it all the time. Try it in the half term, 2 weeks will clear up at least 10 of your acne problems. And then you'll be like, yeah, why did I not do that? Seriously, guys, like you need, if your skin is in trouble, I'm not telling you not to wear makeup. If your skin is in trouble and is actually in pain and you've got a lot of acne, try not wearing makeup and letting your skin breathe, because it is the best thing that ever happened to my skin. And now I don't have any dry patches. I know I have a lot of acne scarring, but that is also from the medicine and my heart problem and stuff. Like, my blood doesn't run as great as everyone else's. my skin is actually flat. Everything I touch on my skin is flat. No, I've got like no risen pimples, and it's just great. It's a great feeling. So I'd recommend it. Anyway, sorry for all that. I just really had to take the time out and say that because I haven't said it. This next mask is my favourite. This is honey and rice. For a scrub, it is really good. Honey is super moisturising, while the rice is anti-aging and it is scrubbable. Now, if you're wondering why I've got it in a vitamin tablet box, it's because these are fucking genius. Whoever made these, yes. They've got screw tops, they're plastic, and they're very thin. And if I was going to go somewhere for a night, I could totally bring that with me. They're great to store masks in, especially powdered masks. Would highly recommend. So what I do is I mix it in the tub of this, make sure it's washed, put a bit of water in the rice to make it rice water, and add the honey. Then what you want to do is you want to grab, you really want to scrub before, not just wipe, because the honey will drip down. I really recommend you scrubbing and putting more rice in it than honey. Just personal preferences. You may get a bit drippy otherwise. Now, I have always said this since a year ago when I first met you beauties. I would choose sheet mask over any skincare. Anything. Face washes, anything. I would choose sheet masks and things that I would choose if I could only use them on my face. There's a honey and lemon one, and you can even dip it in this, which is a cutout of some kitchen roll, which is a great sheet mask material. Now, if you do want me to do a whole video on sheet masks, I will happily, on DIY sheet masks, I will happily do it. Seriously, can't wait for you to say yes. Or you can do what I've done and get an over obsession of buying compressed sheet masks. I'm not joking. I have like 500 compressed sheet masks in my drawers. Again, if you want to see a whole skincare collection, I would be happy to. These are so soothing and so calming. This is a charcoal one right here, so you can totally get charcoal ones if you still want that charcoal feel to it, and this is just a normal one. You can dip it in some lemon water, you can dip it in some green tea, you can dip it in some lavender, you can dip it in some milk, you can dip it in some rice water. Like literally, the list goes on and on and on and on. And I can give you a list that you could do like a different serum every single day of the week if you want. I can totally do a whole video on that. I'd be so happy to. These are heaven, and if you haven't tried them, like, I don't think that we can be friends, because like, you need to try these. Again, you don't have to even get the compressed sheet mask. You can try the kitchen roll one, and I do this on a most daily basis, and I love these because you can do it 5 or 6 times and it's not really costing you. I mean, kitchen roll is like £1 for like 2, so, and you get like 100 sheets in it. It is really good, and obviously it's not going to be as soft as these, but I mean, I'll give it a good 8 out of 10 for it. And as you can see, I've cut my face shape into it, stuck it in a containable portable container, and cut little holes in it. And then all you have to do is go like this, and you is ready to use. I love these, and again, I use these on a daily basis, especially in the morning when I am running late for college. I really wanted to make this video because, again, it was very important to me, and I just told you my whole story of why. We won't go over it again, I won't bore. If you use these and love them, let me know. If you have some great ones, again, let me know, because I really want some more DIY sheet face mask and sheet mask recipes on my life. For this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also give it a thumbs up if you want to see all the videos that I asked you if you want to see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe again to see the videos, more videos, and more of me. And comment down below your favourite DIY mask or sheet mask. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.